Are you tired of feeling sluggish, bloated, and inflamed, no matter how healthy you try to be? Here's the truth. Chronic inflammation is silently aging your body from the inside out. It's the root cause behind fatigue, joint pain, brain fog, low immunity, and even premature wrinkles. But the good news is, you can reverse this damage naturally and restore your body's youthful energy and vitality. In today's video, we're diving into what causes inflammation, how it weakens your immune system, and how you can heal it naturally with a simple, daily, natural healing protocol. Inflammation isn't always bad. It's your body's natural defense to heal and protect. But when it becomes chronic, it never shuts off. This low-grade inflammation keeps your immune system overactive, damaging your cells and speeding up aging. Think of it like a fire burning inside your body 24/7, slowly wearing down your organs and making you feel older than you are. Chronic inflammation is serious and is linked to heart disease, arthritis, diabetes, and autoimmune issues, which means calming it is one of the most important things you can do for long-term health and graceful aging. The main triggers: processed foods, sugar, lack of sleep, stress, and environmental toxins. Over time, these habits suppress your immune system and drain your energy. But here's the truth. You can turn it off naturally with a few lifestyle changes and powerful plant-based superfoods that support deep healing from within. Step 1. Clean up your diet. Remove processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy seed oils and chemical toxins. Replace them with healing foods like leafy greens, berries, turmeric, ginger, avocados, and nuts. Add fermented foods for gut health, because over 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. Every meal can either feed inflammation or fight it. Step 2. Reduce portion size. Eat less at every meal. Eat only until comfortably full. Do not overindulge. Step 3. Move daily. Exercise helps lower inflammation and boost circulation. Even 30 minutes of walking or light workouts can make a big difference. The key is consistency. Your body heals best when movement becomes a habit. Step 4. Support detox pathways. Your liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system are your detox team. Support them with hydration, herbs, fiber, and daily movement. Simple rituals like lemon water or dry brushing help toxins flow out, so healing can flow in. Step 5. Calm the mind to heal the body. Stress keeps inflammation alive. Good sleep will help your body recover. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night so your cells can repair, and practice daily. Deep breathing, pray, and forgiveness. Write what you are grateful for. Peace is not optional. It is medicinal. Step 6. Add nature's support. Power Shot Greens. Superfood by Essona Organics. This step takes your healing to the next level. Power Shot Greens isn't just another greens mix. It's a potent superfood formula designed to calm inflammation, detoxify, and strengthen your immune system. It's filled with natural ingredients that work synergistically to rejuvenate your body. Let's look at some of its powerful ingredients. Spirulina is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth, rich in antioxidants and plant protein that help reduce oxidative stress and boost energy. Chlorella binds to toxins and supports detoxification. Wheatgrass provides vitamins A, C, and E, essential for glowing skin, strong immunity, and healthy aging. And Noni, known as the Queen of Health Plants, improves digestion, strengthens immunity, and promotes vitality through its natural enzymes and phytonutrients. Gotu kola and bitter melon support circulation, metabolism, healthy weight, and pancreas health. Moringa delivers antioxidants and vitamins that repair tissue and calm inflammation. Together, these ingredients help your body heal from within, reducing inflammation, supporting your immune system, and improving your energy levels. When your body gets these nutrients, it begins to repair itself at a cellular level, the real secret to longevity and youthful health. Step 7. Be consistent. Healing takes time. Start each morning with a glass of Power Shot Greens mixed in water or vegan milk or a smoothie. Link in the description below. Within days, you'll notice more energy, clearer skin, and better digestion. Over time, your immune system strengthens, and your body starts to feel younger and more alive. Here's your simple healing plan. Eat clean, move daily, manage stress, sleep well, and take PowerShot Green Superfood from Essona Organics to restore balance and detox naturally. Your body knows how to heal. It just needs the right support. By following this natural protocol, you're not only easing inflammation, you're transforming your overall health, energy, and longevity. If you're ready to feel your best again, try adding PowerShot Green Superfood to your routine and experience the difference yourself.